Friday, April 5th, 2024. Friday within octave of Easter. Focus. Children, do you have any fish? The question Jesus poses to his disciples is a seemingly straightforward one. Yet, it is deep, as it makes us reflect on the aspects of God's unfailing provision. Jesus is our bread of life, and He alone suffices. With His almighty presence, there is always an abundance of provision in our lives. All the disciples required was responsive faith that the fish would be caught. The disciples cast their nets in response to Jesus, seemingly futile. Right side of the boat, advise. In the same way, if we believe that Jesus will provide for our every need in every situation, all we have to do is cast our nets and we will obtain His goodness, grace, and blessings. Every activity or endeavors we undertake without the direction of Lord is meaningless and empty. It was not that there were no fish for the disciples to catch. Maybe they just did not cast their nets deep enough or skillfully enough to trap into the catch. We too do not harvest the goodness of God's loving presence in our lives because we are filled with the doubts and perhaps spiritually blind. Fruit. In every event of my life, I will aspire to feel God's presence and hear His comforting voice.